Hi, I'm Mackenzie Bedwell. This is my vocabulary lesson for weather. So I would start my lesson with a small game. So students would be in groups of 2 or 3 people, and they would try to write down as many weather related words as they know. And the goal is for students or groups to have as many unique words as possible. So, for an example, if 2 groups wrote storm, then they would cross it out and not have points for that. So, they want as many unique words as possible. Then I would review some simple weather words like sunny, raining, snowing, clouds, so on and so forth. Then we would start our words, vocabulary words in this PowerPoint, which I'll show you now. And I tilted it. It's a little hard to see straight on, but it still maybe is a little hard to see. So we have weather for the first word. And I thought that this was important because for C, maybe students would not know this sign. Precipitate, like rain, hail, which we'll learn later, snow, and sleet. Forecast, so this is like the weather for the week, maybe 2 weeks. They tell you what's going to happen. Drizzle, that's like really easy, light rain. Frost, this is like the snow, or it's really cold and the precipitation, it freezes. Hail, this is frozen rain, so sometimes it's very big, like the size of a softball, so hail. Overcast is when there's a lot of clouds. There's not really any sun, that's overcast. Humid, very hot, and often it's very sticky, so the ASL sign is humid, or C, it's humid. Atmosphere, this is like our sky, where our clouds are. It's before the other layers of our earth. Smog. It's actually a combination of smoke and fog. So that's when there's pollutants in the air. That's smog. Condensation. This is when air turns into water. Evaporation. This is when water turns into air. Now we have extreme weather or natural disasters. Tornado. Hurricane. Earthquake. Typhoon. Typhoon. It's the same thing as hurricanes, but these happen in tropical areas. Tsunami. Tsunami. Avalanche. Avalanche. Cyclone. Cyclone. Drought. Drought. And that's it for our words. And then we have our sentences. So for sentences, students would imitate me after I sign them. So, number 1. The forecast is calling for 70% chance of precipitation due to the humidity, but it should only drizzle. Number 2, when there are pollutants in the atmosphere, smog can occur. Number 3, natural disasters involving water are typhoons, hurricanes, and tsunamis. Number 4, cyclones and tornadoes are both air-related weather events. Number 5, when the weatherman calls for an overcast day, it means the sky will be covered in or with clouds. Number 6, when there is condensation, air turns into water, but when evaporation occurs, water turns into air. Number 7, in places where there is frost, avalanches can occur, which is also known as a snow slide. Number 8, earthquakes can occur where tectonic plates meet. Number 9, hail is frozen rain, which can damage cars, houses, so on. Number 10, when it does not rain for a long time, a drought can occur. And then after students learn all of these signs, they'll be in pairs, 2 people, and they'll create a story with at least 12 words that they'll share with the class. So that's my lesson. Thank you.